If you know me, it's the little things in life that I love. And this I got today. It is a lightsaber, but it's better than just a lightsaber. Let me show you. It's a cigar lighter lightsaber. Tell me that's not the coolest thing you've seen in a long time. And it also has a safety on the side. And then it has this adjustable flame, so you can take it down if you want. But I thought it was the coolest thing. I saw it online and found it on Amazon and bought it. And I will send a link to this in my link tree above. But this is by far the coolest lighter that I own. May the force be with you.